Hello traders, it's Jessica as always. So even though I am a pure techie and rely on your technical analysis to trade, there is no denying the fact that fundamentals are the main driving force behind financial markets. In this video, we will look at the most important fundamentals that affect the options market, and I will teach you a simple strategy to follow, what to do when important news are released, so how to trade on the news. Sit back, please support this video with your likes, subscribe to my channel and join my cozy Telegram community where you will find the information in text format and also have a chance to trade with me personally. Link will be waiting for you in description. And so to begin with, let's consider the main indicators that directly affect our trading process and the market as a whole. The unemployment rate reflects the percentage of people who are unemployed in a particular country or region. A rising unemployment rate usually means an unhealthy economy and negatively affects on the strength of a currency. Housing prices. Housing prices reflect the public's demand for housing. Rising prices reflect the healthy state of the economy, strengthening the purchasing power of the population and their confidence in the future. Growing demand for housing is considered one of the most important drivers of the economy. Inflation. Inflation reflects the purchasing power of a currency. It is usually measured by assessing the prices of a selected basket of goods or services over a given period. High inflation is usually a major indicator of a weak currency and an unhealthy economy. Monetary policy. Monetary policy is the actions of central banks related to the money supply in the economy. There are two main levers: interest rates and bank reserve requirements. Higher interest rates suppress the economy, making the currency stronger. Lower interest rates increase the supply of money, making the economy grow but devaluing the currency. You can find out about upcoming fundamental news on TradingView in the economic calendar. It is located in the lower right corner by clicking on the calendar icon. Click the Only Important button and the system will display only the most important news. Pay close attention to these fundamentals and watch how the market reacts to these data. Friends, write in comments whether you have experienced trading on fundamental events and what results you have achieved. And we are moving on to the next topic: trading during major economic events and news releases. I think you have already noticed how impulsively markets can react to economic events and news. I'm now going to tell you a simple strategy to follow during important new releases and actually how to trade on it, how to trade on news. Most economic calendars indicate the potential importance of each event. Some news is of low importance, some is of medium importance, and some is considered extremely important. We already talked about these in detail in the last part of the video, but now I will point out for you a strategy format. So what to do and how to behave. Now on the screen you can see a list of upcoming UK fundamental news. You can see that these news have varying degrees of importance. I reckon that you sort your economic calendar so that only most important news are displayed. Among the news we have discussed, only one release is of great importance. Secondly, understanding which trading instruments are affected by the news. While some news on the economic calendar can affect many financial markets and trading instruments, some news can affect very specific instruments. For example, the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision can have a very broad effect on financial markets. At the same time, an interest rate decision in Australia may only affect instruments related to Australia. Third, do not trade an hour before and an hour after the news are released. As soon as you see an important fundamental news coming, do not trade the instruments that may be affected by it 1 hour before and 1 hour after its release. For example, in 5 minutes, we are expecting an important UK news, CPI data. I stopped trading pound sterling pairs 1 hour before the news and will resume trading an hour after the news. I always tell my students that trading on news is very difficult. Because of the high volatility, it is very difficult to make a wise decision during the news release. The approach I suggest will help you avoid all these and trade the markets when they are calm. Thank you very much for watching this video until the end. I put a lot of effort into improving the quality of my content. Please support the video by your likes, subscribe to the channel, as well as writing comments on what topics you would like to see the next videos about. Also, my friends, I am waiting for you in my Telegram channel where you will find useful information on strategies, indicators, and daily tutorials on trades, as well as you can just trade with me absolutely for free. The link again waits for you in description. Thank you for your attention again. This was your Jessica with love. Bye bye.